Hey guys, Fury here. Let's talk about the not sexy stuff involved in the sexy stuff with rotational training with Ultimate Sandbags and DVRT. This system provides us a whole range of really cool progressive maneuvers that we can train in a rotational fashion, hitting that transverse plane. Unfortunately, that stuff has so much sexy flash to it that we often skip some of the basics, right? Two things you have to remember when we're doing the rotational training with Ultimate Sandbags. We're looking for to build and enhance and improve upon internal rotation of the leg and the hip, right? So I'm not just pivoting and turning directions with both feet. Now I'm just facing a different direction. I didn't really rotate it, I kind of just turned, right? Internal rotation in the hip, super important. The next big thing that also gets lost is the use of this back foot. I am driving through this pivot foot as I'm hinging and picking up an Ultimate Sandbag. As I pivot, internally rotate, hinge, driving off of that back foot. If I were to throw a punch right across, it drives from the floor of that back foot through the arm. Sandbags allow us to counterweight that stuff so we can kind of fake it. So all the load right here is really on that leg. That's not what we're looking for. We want to go from the ground up. So the next time you're doing something flashy or wanting to try something like a rotational clean or a rotational snatch, take a step back and remember, check your feet, right? Think feet first on this. We want to pivot, hinge, drive up, pivot to the other side, and hinge, right? What you see a lot of times is just this. I'm just turning and grabbing a bag. Or I've sort of pivoted a little bit, but I'm not using this back foot at all as I drive. That back foot, boom, source of power while we're in there, from the ground up. So remember your internal rotation. Remember to drive through the foot. Fury loves you. Enjoy.